Welcome back to another video at Trading IQ, where we will learn the unlimited nature of the stock market. This is Shoral Bhattacharjee. In today's video, as always, I'm going to bring another industry, another stock analysis, and I had invested in this stock last week. Now, when I'll be sharing my approach, my technical analysis, so I use WEINSTEIN'S stage analysis and indicators such as 30-week moving average, relative strength, support and resistance, and 30-week moving average. It's as simple as that. My charts are not messy with Bollinger Band and this and that and a lot of moving average, EMA and all that. I keep it very simple, and I blindly follow Stan Weinstein's stage analysis plan, and it's a plan for the life as well. So I have shared rigorously on how I use Stan Weinstein's stage analysis, so you can watch them. This video, I think the one that I'm sharing on my I button has got good reach from YouTube. That means I did something right, so that's why YouTube is promoting. So you can go ahead and watch that video where I've explicitly mentioned and shared my approach on how to use Stan Weinstein's stage analysis. So let's jump into my screen now and let's analyze the stock in which I have invested, and it could be potentially a multi-bagger stock. So please watch till the end. So this is the screener website from where I usually pick my stock. So I'll go to screen, and from there I'll go to this industry, chemical industry. Now from chemical industry, Pidilite, SRF, these are Linde India, solar industry. These are top big giants in the industry. You see the market cap 1,27,000 crore, 70,000 crore, 55,000 crore, 43,000 crore, 33,000 crore. So I'll glance through these four to five stocks from the top, because these stocks define the movement of the industry or the trend of the industry, the chemical industry. So let's look at one by one. So Pidilite. This is in stage 3, clearly in stage 3, because again it has this formation. It is consolidating from a range, and it is in stage 3. Let's see SRF. Again, it's in clear stage 3 again, right? It's a clear stage 3. Linde India. Whoa. So this is in clear stage 2. These are the stocks that we call multi-bagger. So you see from 688 to 100% rise in just about 2-3 years. Anyhow, so or even more. I might be calculating wrong. So this is one of the stocks that is within this chemical industry, and it is doing fabulously well, right? It's in stage 2. Solar industry. Again, you see it recently got out of its stage 3 top, and you see it's in clear stage 2 continuous. Similar sort of a chart pattern like Linde India. Again, it's doing fabulously well. So out of 4 stocks, we have seen 2 of them are in stage 3 and 2 of them are in stage 2. Now, interestingly, so this is my watch list, and by the way, recently TradingView does not allow you to add more than 30 stocks. So whichever stocks you have in the watch list. So I either have to upgrade my TradingView or I'll have to find different ways. Of course, the free way is the best way. So I'll if I come across on specific way on how to keep your watch list, maybe you can use your Demat account to keep stocks in the watch list. So again, to analyze in the chart, you'll have to kind of search through every now and then accordingly analyze. But again, I'll come to that separately. I also do short videos, so you please keep in touch with this channel. So I share valuable information. I just focus on pure content, and whatever I'm doing, I'm sharing my journey in the stock market and what am I doing in the market. So again, this is my watch list. This is the chemical industry, and I had added these stocks based on my understanding when I added this maybe a couple of a year or 1.5 years back. So I was in the sideline when I was watching Himadri Specialty. So this is chemical in the specialty sector, and you see Himadri Specialty is it's doing. I mean, I don't have words for it, right? So I was watching it from the sideline. I thought of buying it around this area because it had this consolidation, and then the breakout did not seem like it that it's something that I'd be interested with, but then it went up to this level. Now interestingly, I had my argument here. So here it broke out of this level and around this level couple of times. You see these peaks of volumes. So when there is a breakout and it is retracing back to that level, breakout level, it could be a probable buy, but then it hit that level a couple of times. So I was confused anyways. So I was in the sideline while watching this stock sail through its breaking through all the barriers, and I think it's in all-time high right now. Wow, it's in all-time high. So again, now within this watch list, I had this stock Lakshmi Organic Industry. Now you see this level 390, around this level. So this was around September last year. So I thought of buying it when it was breaking out of this level. So you see this week, and the volume peak is something significant when you compare it with its past performance, but then it could not break out significantly. So I could not enter my position because it just peaked out of this level, and my psychological number was again 400, and it did not cross 400. It was around 395, as you can see. So since then I had been waiting on this stock, and I was not waiting on this stock, I just kept it in my watch list, and I forgot that it is in my watch list. So I was glancing through the stocks and I was looking for my probable next investment, and I thought, and I saw this huge breakout, right? The breakout, the volume you see is 29 or 30 million, close to 30 million, which is sort of half of what it had when it saw its peak. And you see comparison wise, it's pretty significant because it did not see such volume for over 1 year, and suddenly this huge peak, and it is breaking out of a psychological number of 300. You see, this has created a huge base. It took a support here, and it took a support here, and then it broke out of it, and then it created this stage 1 base. And from this base, you see the 30-week moving average is also peaking upward, and it is breaking out of this key level of 285, and the psychological number is 300. So it is close to around 300, and I had my share around close to 300. And my stop loss is pretty close, like below 250. If it goes below 250, I'm going to get out of it. But it looks very promising, and so this is what I wanted to share with you guys, that when you find a probable stock, just keep them in the watch list. Now you cannot do it in TradingView, but we'll have to find different ways of adding stocks, or there are a lot of free websites. We'll have to find that. If I come across to any such free website, I'll definitely share. But you have to keep them in the watch list, and keep checking them weekly, monthly basis, right? And whenever you see a probable breakout, then only you take action. Otherwise, just let them be in your watch list. There are so many other in my watch list that I did not even look at it for over months, but it is still in my watch list. If I see an opportunity, I will jump on it. So that's how your plan should be. When you're planning to buy a stock, it's not like when you wake up suddenly on a fine day, and then you thought of buying a stock and you just bought it. That's what I did for over 1 year, or maybe a couple of years, and I was not successful because I might be lucky on 1 or 2 stocks, but then this is not the process to follow. The process has to be very rigorous. You have to have a set plan. So my plan is very simple. So this is as per WEINSTEIN'S stage analysis. This is a clear breakout from stage 1 to stage 2 with significant volume. And the industry wise, I have analyzed a couple of stocks are doing fabulously well, like Linde industry, solar industry. And within this stock, even we had seen Himadri Specialities, it's breaking out of its all-time high. So I see a lot of positive, you can look at the negative side of it. There are stocks which are in stage 3. So I choose to stay in the positive side of it because there are stocks which are breaking out of it from stage 2, stage 1 to stage 2, and then continuing its stage 2 continuation. So I see there are a lot of positive within this sector, and Nifty, the market is doing good. It's in sort of close to all-time high, probable breakout of 20,000 coming months. So I'm hopeful, and that's why I had invested. So that's my plan. So I hope you like this approach, and if you do, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, and I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you and have a great day.